Now look. Then he was thinking, he said, why you are so powerful, must be you pull.
Wie das gemacht hat, wenn du die Kraft hast, musst du vielleicht gezogen haben.
But actually I don't pull.
Aber ich habe nicht gezogen.
I turn. In fact, if you have learned beauty before, you know you turn like this.
Wenn ihr Beauty schon gelernt habt, ihr wisst ja, so viel gewendet machen.
Right? Now so, he will step on your head. Okay? Now look. I do it in a slow motion.
Das langsam jetzt, ne?
Do I move my hand? No.
Bewegt mein Arm eigentlich gar nicht.
Yeah, so this is why. Now look. I don't use my force with my arms. I use the force with my body.
Benutzt den Körper.
Don't make a mistake.
Die Kraft ist am Körper.
So pull is you use your hand to pull. Okay? Now it's not pull. It's now. I show everybody one move. Then you can feel it. Now. Now look. Because when you see I move in, you don't know I turn first. Okay? Now another guy? Everybody wants. Now look at me. Now. See? Now if I don't move in, then you can see. Okay? Now. Can you see that? Okay, now. So after this, I go in at the same time. So it's like bang. Okay. Okay. Now once again, take a look. Now here. Now so slow. Can you see that now? Okay. Now. Anybody else? Boom. Okay, now pay attention to my leg. How I go in. You know how I turn, right? Now you see how I go in. Oh, oh. Okay? Boom, boom. See that? Don't stop in between. Just go boom, boom. Okay? Non-stop.
Non-stop, keine Pausen dabei.
I hope one day we can organize a Leung Ting tournament. And of course, this is the best tennis for you. Okay? Just imagine if this tennis becomes very good, then you beat up your opponent, and then they can even insult them. You can insult them. You cannot even fight against the first movement of the first session. Right, and then they feel very shy. Right? They feel shame. You say we have 7 sessions, and now you cannot even fight against us against the first movement of the first session. Okay? I hope in the near future I really would like to do that. There's some cheese tournament in somewhere, so you people must practice this. Okay?